This is a video of my machine that plays Connect 4. At the top end we've got a counter dropper which has a servo that controls which counters get dropped and when, and underneath we have a stepper motor which controls what slot the counters are dropped into. The control is by a keyboard and you get a feedback through an LCD display, and there's an Arduino and various bits of wire to do the control. Most of it's 3D printed in ABS, and when you turn it on it does its little reference cycle, and that makes sure that the column selector knows where it is. You can play against the computer or another human, or you can let the computer play against itself, which is what we're doing at the moment. So it plays in turn, a red and a yellow, just like the real game. And picks which column it's going to drop the counter into, and then moves to that column and drops the counter. You can see under there the stepper motors going backwards and forwards, and the servo at the top is controlling the actual dropping. The screen gives you feedback of what's going on, as well as displaying the menus to choose your options. At the end of each go you can cancel the game by pressing the 0 key. So it's going to continue playing the game until one side wins. It's not playing a very clever game, there's no strategy involved particularly, it's playing a very defensive game. So it randomly picks columns unless there's a problem that it can see where it can block or make a winning move. The build, as I said, was all 3D printed. It was all designed in CAD, 3D printed in white ABS, and there are approximately 35 parts in the construction. There are 6 separate electronic circuits. One is the servo motor at the top, one is the stepper motor, there's a limit switch, there's a piezo buzzer, there's a keyboard, there's the LCD display. They're all controlled at the moment through an Arduino Uno. See now that yellow's in trouble and red's going to win. And there's a little tune going to play in celebration. And that's the end. Red's won.